Let's see if Morgan can at least get onto the third lily pad, even though she's holding on to something. Woo! Come on, Morgan, get over there! Oh, she's gonna get there. Oh, she does it! With 3 more to go, can Morgan make it? Woo! Go, Morgan! Come on, Morgan! Woo! And she stopped. Darn. Wah, wah, wah.
I love these lily tapping stuff.
I know, aren't they so cool? Now watch Morgan attempt to get up when she looks like a retarded turtle. Here she goes. Oh! And the retarded turtle just can't seem to get up there. Woo! Woo! And she's got it! She's got it! She's pulling her up! Oh no! It's so sad. Now let's see the retarded turtle return to land.